right, guys, how's it going? Welcome to IB German Oral Practice number 2. And today we're going to be looking at this photo right here. We're going to come up with some ideas of things that we could say, and then you're going to be given a chance to practice the things that you would perhaps say. So, the first phrase that we're going to be using is im Bild. Now, im Bild really just means in dem Bild or in the picture. So im Bild sieht man. Okay, you have to start with the verb right after. Im Bild sieht man fünf Menschen or sechs Menschen. I think there's sechs. Sechs Menschen. Vier Menschen tragen Kostüme. Zwei Menschen tragen keine Kostüme. Okay? Now, the next thing that I might be tempted to do is talk about everything in excruciating detail about what they're wearing. But really, what is this photo about? And how does it compare to your culture? So instead of going on about the guy wearing the hat or the glasses or things like that, consider talking about what it is that they are doing. Okay. So let's try this in a slightly different way. Im Vordergrund sieht man die Menschen und sie feiern ganz viel. Sie tragen Kostüme und sehen glücklich aus. Auf der linken Seite sieht man eine Frau. Sie ist wie ein Clown verkleidet. Sie scheint mir glücklich zu sein. Sie scheint mir means she looks like to me. Okay. The next phrase we might say is das Bild ist ein Bild von Karneval. Karneval ist ein großes, wunderbares Fest in Deutschland. Now, when we describe the photo, we want to start talking about Carnival. And if you're limited in the amount of information you remember, you may want to consider making a comparison. You might draw a conclusion that maybe the people in this picture are a little bit older. They are adults. Here in America, people tend to dress up their children for Halloween, and they wear costumes then. Not often do adults go to great lengths to do Halloween dress up. You might also consider thinking about, though we do have costume parties for adults, we don't have them at quite the scale that Germany does. So you might say that they are bigger festivals over in Germany, and you might say that in America they are smaller. So there's a couple ways to do it, and I always encourage you as well. Put your own thought into it. How do you feel about it? What do you think? Would you ever do this particular type of festival? So let's come up with a phrase, just one simple phrase, and see what we can do with it. I could say, ich denke, dass dieses Fest sehr interessant ist. Ich denke, dass in Amerika, dass wir vielleicht nicht dieses Fest haben würden, weil die Eltern und die Erwachsenen in Amerika machen sowas nicht. Perhaps. All right, so there we go. Go ahead and give it a shot. You talk for 3 minutes about this picture and see how you can go from talking about just what they're wearing to going up to a little bit higher about what is the meaning of Carnival. Make some comparisons, make some connections, and hopefully this helps you.